to you wherever you are in the world. We are just about ready for the action here. Kickoff is imminent. The team's indeed with us very soon, having exchanged their various pleasantries. What I have to tell you is that the weather may not be great for the duration of the evening. The clouds yet to open, but one suspects that they will pretty shortly, and when the rain comes, we are warned to expect plenty of it. Well, the pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, the game itself. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Well, Nicolo Barella is by all accounts a jack of all trades, and I think that's a very good way of describing how this player operates, because he's growing into one of Italy's most important midfielders, and he always has a say in what's going on, and he looks like captain material for the future. I think this guy has a lovely presence about him.
Yes, they'll certainly be leaning heavily on him. There's the whistle. Martinez. There's the ball in. And he's there to clear it. That pass has been well intercepted. And there's green grass ahead of him. Up to meet it! Oh, split-second reaction.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
He's shifting through the gears here. He's looking unstoppable. And the shot! And the second time. Surely this time. And he's done it!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
Turan was quick to move in. Keeper's handling wasn't great.
And listen, last line of defence, and you don't get it right, then you're paying a visit to your net.
Inter Milan make the perfect start. They are already ahead. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Oh, that's a key interception. Out to the right. Looking for options for movement. The ball is loose and the chase is on. He'll try to keep this alive. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Now it's Martinez. Now it's Turan. He's got away. Slavia Praha needed that. They really needed it.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
It's out for a goal kick. He's a sharp little ball here, and that's aimed into the middle. Calhanoglu, and here's the chance to counter.
That's positional gold, the utilisation of space.
Chance! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Yeah, he was well placed to deal with that.
Clears it away. Can he spark a counter here? Ball's being played in here nice and early.
Yeah, that'll be a test for that defence, but I'd like my players to keep mixing it up if I was in that position, you know, and not become predictable. They've got to avoid that.
just got his range wrong there. Forwards and with intent. Corner. Massive lead! Harmlessly behind.
I think he deserves credit for getting something away, given that he had to contend with a double dose of closing down.
And that could set him on his way. Akanji. Out to the left it goes. Played in with accuracy. Nice physical challenge. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Locked in behind. And a header! That's offside. Yes, it is. Nicked it back promptly. He has found the way through.
You can never be short of runners into space, as long as the space left behind is filled.
And they can counter here. So just the one early goal to report so far. And the score is 1-0. Pass has gone astray. And he's gone looking for safety. No way through there. Turan. That has been cut. Martinez! He's got it all! Two to the good! They have breathing space! No space, no problem. You just cannot stop him.
Well, I think that defence there thought they were in good position and they had him where they wanted, yet somehow he's worked the scoring position when it didn't see him on. It's really crafty business, that.
Inter Milan grab a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0. And that'll be the last act of the first half. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first half success with another show of strength?
Inter Milan ahead 2-0, and they are looking good. Well, the action has already resumed here. Some resolute defending there. Better ball would have led to a very different outcome there.
Slavia Prague clearly should have gone for the easier pass. Now they'll have to quickly regroup.
Hits one! Well, the finish certainly didn't match the build-up.
It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that.
No, that's been intercepted. Opts for safety. Plays it from a quarterback position. Well, that is not the best ball, and he offers an apologetic look.
Ah, he made it look a bit predictable.
That's a little off target. Fiddles it through, has a goal! Great build-up, it all deserved a better ending.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Interesting ball.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope.
Martinez looking to add to his goal. Now it's Thuram. Good spot, he's seen the run. Dumfries with the delivery. And that has been cleared. Played it again. Oh, just needed a better contact.
I thought the wing work was A1. The defending and finishing was anything but.
Çalhanoğlu to take it as usual. Slavia Praha can start a counter here. Goes forward. And the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Pass just lacking in accuracy. Barella. In with the challenge. It's gone for a throw-in. Slavia Prague making consecutive changes here. And he's managed to get free.
This is what good chemistry is all about.
That's an excellent interception.
Slavia Prague really aren't making anything meaningful of their time on the ball.
He's had a hit! It's off target and by quite a way.
Inter were again presented with an opportunity to break and look very, very threatening.
Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. That's good defending in numbers. Oh, that's well spotted. Over to the left. Dumfries, too strong for his opponent there.
It's pretty clear that the defence have decided that the greatest threat to them at the moment, Peter, are people trying to just run at them.
Run at them, and I suppose beyond them, Jim.
Yeah, particularly late runners into the box. That's what you don't want. They're very dangerous to any defence.
Over it comes. And it's Çalhanoğlu. And the counter is on.
Inter have turned up with a human blockade. This is top defence.
Do have a chance to counter here. Oh, can he get onto this? Oh, nicely intercepted. Calhanoglu. Barella is steaming forward. Head out towards the right wing. Crossed into the... Climbs up big! They are rampant! And they are cruising away. It is a good finish. The odds were against him. Little matter.
Well, he had to deal with an awful lot of
3-0, and things are starting to look awfully cosy. And that will be the final act.